Hi, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thanks so much for coming to this sound juggling video. So don't worry about the letters as we're going through these sounds. Just kind of block them out of your mind. And what I want you to do is to look at the sound. I want you to hear the sound, touch the sound in the air as I'm going along, and say the sound. So here is the first one. This is j, a, t, jut, jut. In jut, what if I add s right here? Now you have j, a, st, just. Here is I, s, ris. In ris, what if I add k? Now you have I, s, k, risk. Here is ept, ept. In ept, what if I add k? Now you have k, ept, kept. Here is mos, mos, mos. In mos, what if I add t? Now you have most, most. Here is und, und, und. In und, what if I add b? Now you have und, bund. Here is at, at. In tact, what if I add k right here? Now you have tact. Here is isp, isp, isp. In isp, what if I add w right here? Now you have isp, wisp. Here is pong, pong. In pong, what if I add k right here? Now you have pong, ponk. Here is fought, fought. In fought, what if I have n right here? Now you have font, font. Here is what, what. In what if I add n? Now you have want, want. Here is onk, onk. In onk, what if I add g right here? Now you have onk, gonk. Here is ass, ass. In cass, what if I add k? Now you have ask, cask. Okay, this one is est, est. In est, what if I add a p right there? Now you have pest, pest. Here is ank, ank. In ank, what if I add a h? Now you have ank, hank. Okay, here's the next one. This is sock, sock. In sock, what if I add ng? Now you have sock, sonk. This is elp, elp. In elp, what if I add h? Now you have elp, help. Here is kine, kine. In kine, what if I add d? Now you have kind, kind. This one is ut, hut. In hut, what if I add n right there? Now you have hunt. This one is fun, fun, fun. In fun, what if I add d? Now you have fund. This one is ent. In ent, what if I add d right here? Now you have dent. This is rop. In rop, what if I add right here? Now you have romp. Here is ink, ink. In ink, what if I add right here? Now you have ink, rink. Here is pum. In pum, what if I add p right here? Now you have pump. Here is med, med. In med, what if I add n right there? Now you have mend. Here is bass, bass. In bass, what if I add k? Now you have bask. And here is ink, ink. In ink, what if I add t? Now you have ink, tank. This one is zick, zick. In zick, what if I add s? Now you have zisk, zisk. Thank you so much for coming to the sound juggling video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.